Hi YouTube family, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be using one of my mother-in-law recipe. I'm gonna make a delicious snack. Join with me as I try this recipe. Let's start making this snack. These are the ingredients I'll be using today to make the snack. I have flour, butter, grated cheese, mustard, pepper, and green seasoning. I'm adding my flour. And I'll add some butter. Now I'll mix the butter and the flour together. I like to use the Breakstone salted butter. Okay. Now I'll add my cheese. And the cheese I'm using today is the Kraft extra sharp cheese. Now I'll mix all of this in. I'll add the green seasoning in. My pepper. And the mustard. Now I'll combine all my ingredients together. Make sure everything is combined. Now, everything is mixed and it's not pasting on my bowl or anything. It's all combined nicely. Now, this is what the mixture looks like. recipe in the description below. Give it a try and let us know in the comment how yours came out. I will now place the cheese straw into the oven to bake at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes, and then I'll check back on it. I wish you guys was here to smell the aroma of my cheese straw. Good. Okay, we'll take it out now from the oven. Oh, it looks golden brown. Looks very, very delicious. Guys, look at this delicious golden brown cheese straw. Yummy snack for summer. I'll leave the recipe in the description. You guys give it a try. You would love it. Delicious. I'm gonna have my snack with a cup of coffee. I like my coffee with no sugar. Guys, I'm gonna now try the cheese straw. It is so crunchy, so cheesy, spicy. Tastes so delicious. I wish you guys was here so I could share a piece with you. But if you try the recipe, you're gonna know what I'm talking about. I would like to thank our subscribers and viewers. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. All it does is notify you when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.